Hi, everybody. I'm Chris with Oils, and today we'd like to share how we distress. One of the ways that I've been distressing during this pandemic is I rent movies, and I take the evening to just relax and enjoy a good show.
Hi, it's Shannon Saavedra with the Office of Advising Strategies, and one way I've been de-stressing is to play a lot of old school board games, mixing it up and winning. You know, it's nice to have some healthy competition. So.
Hello, everyone. My name is Selene. I'm an advisor at the Anderson School of Management. Some of the ways I've been de-stressing have been sewing, also cooking more at home, and watching cheesy rom-coms.
Hi, everyone. My name is Sarah. I'm from Chemical and Biological Engineering and Nuclear Engineering. Ways I've been distressing have been just playing with my 1.5-year-old daughter. We do a lot of coloring together, and that's always a lot of fun.
Hi, everybody. I'm Grace Willerton from UNM Los Alamos. I'm new to the group. Thanks for having me. The way I like to de-stress right now is doing a little bit of backyard bird watching. I got a feeder and some songbird seed and got lots of cute little house finches, and I'm learning a lot. But it's fun just to watch them peck around the patio.
That's fun, Grace. So I'm Diana Martinez with a camp scholarship. And one way that I've been distressing this whole time is just going on walks. I really enjoy them. So we'll see how things go now with cold weather starting, but I'll still make it happen.
The graduation website is up and running, and it has a shout out from President Stokes to all our fall 2020 graduates. Students can sign up for the personalized graduate page until December 9th at 11 p.m. On the same site, students can upload a video of themselves giving a short speech. And this year, family and friends can upload a video to express their excitement and pride as well. The deadline for the videos to be submitted is November 20th at 5 p.m. Go Lobos!
If you have students who are running into issues with changing their grade mode to credit, no credit, a video has been created to help them understand why they would want to do this, who they should talk to before they make any changes, and how to complete the process. You can find this video on the website students.unm.edu.
We wanted to remind you of the student guide found on My.UNM.edu. There you can find online resources such as the registration and check holds tab, which houses the course delivery types, registration tips, and the schedule of classes. Other useful information is the online resource tab, as well as the financial aid and bursar payment tab.
Hi, everyone. We wanted to give you some reminders about late starting courses. Through registrar.unm.edu, you can find the deadline dates. Through going to semester deadline dates, fall 2020, and scrolling down to the late starting courses link. Here you will find not only the deadline dates for late starting courses, but lots of useful information. One of which is the reminder about the $150 fee that students will be charged for adding late starting courses. We'd also like to remind you that due to the new rules with tuition from the bursar's office, students aren't going to get charged that extra tuition that they used to get charged for going over 18 credit hours. So just a reminder there. The deadline dates are listed here. Just to point out that it's the same date, December 11th, for not only adding a late starting course, but also dropping with a full refund and without a grade. Keep in mind that that deadline date is before some of these late starting courses even start, because some of them do start in January. Also, this deadline date happens before most 16-week fall 2020 courses begin. So please be sure to make students aware of these deadline dates when they're deciding whether they need to keep late starting course or drop one.
We know that students are already really busy trying to finish up coursework. However, it's always important to remind them to fill out the application for federal financial aid. The application opened on October 1st, and there are a lot of places offering assistance for students to complete this application. As you could see, the financial aid office has put together the links where students could get virtual assistance to fill out their application. A few of these examples are virtual FAFSA assistance through the American Indian Student Services. They have the list of dates and times when they're available, as well as the list of documents that they need to submit. Also, students could set up individual appointments with staff from El Centro de la Raza, and they can get help in filling this application. There are a few priority deadlines just to ensure that students get the most of the awards. So please remind them that this is something important and they can still do it. Like, there's no deadline. There are priority dates, but we want all of these students to try to get the most money they can for the new academic year.
Hi everyone, it's me again. The recipe that I chose to share this week on the Advising Bytes is easy caramel pecan sticky rolls. So I chose this recipe. It doesn't have a lot of ingredients, and a lot of the ingredients most of us already have on hand. We may be in baking mode, so a lot of us have this already. And so it's Hawaiian sweet rolls, brown sugar, some butter, pecans, a little corn syrup, vanilla extract, and cinnamon. And so all together, it takes about 30 minutes to mix everything and put it together and bake it. And you bake it in a cast iron skillet. And so you put everything in there. And then once it's done, you kind of like dump out the cast iron skillet and get this really cool sticky bun effect. This is a great recipe to use when you have a little more time, maybe say on a long weekend that we have coming up, a little treat to eat, maybe while you're binge watching all the holiday movies on Netflix. So I hope you guys get a chance to try this out. I'm going to make these again this weekend for just kind of a cozy holiday treat. So I hope you guys enjoy it.
Thank you, everyone who sent us Halloween photos. And now we have our shout outs to the community. During this Advising Bytes, we're shouting out to some of our branches. First, we have Michelle Lee with the Gallup branch, Tracy Owen with the Valencia branch, and Ariana Delmerico from Taos.